Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Torie here, and I'm so excited to see you guys. This week we are shaking things up and doing things a little bit differently, as it is a collab with a bunch of wonderful ladies. We are all doing Valentine's Day looks, so if you want to check out other Valentine's looks aside from mine, I will have all of their channels linked down below. They're so good. Literally, I'm so happy with how everybody's looks turned out, and if you think that my look doesn't exactly fit what you need, then I'm sure that one of these ladies has a look that is perfect for your Valentine's Day. Before I get into the video, I want to take a quick second to say that if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified every time I drop a video, might as well hit that notification bell while you're at it. It would really help out my channel, and I love seeing you guys, talking to you, and I hope that you will consider coming back to hang out with me. If you like this video, also go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Ooh, my dog's playing with my light. Okay. Because that would also really help out my channel. Without any more ranting, further ado, rambling, we are just going to hop right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is put foundation and concealer on. Obviously, I am not going to be showing that in the video, but if you want to see how I do my foundation and concealer, go ahead and check my last video that was like natural makeup, and you can watch me do it. Or if you want me to do an official tutorial, I can do that as well. So give me 2 secs and I'll be right back. So for this look, I'm going to be using 2 palettes. This palette is Conspiracy by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. This palette is 35M Boss Mood by Morphe. For my first color, I'm going to be using Flaming Hot from the Conspiracy palette. These dogs are playing and having a good time. I'm just going to be patting that on my lid. I love how pigmented this palette is, like literally. Wow, the doggos are just playing away. Really, this is after like 3 times touching my brush against the eyeshadow. Like, that's insane. Oh, now Evie's hyper, so she's gonna talk about it. Sorry guys, I haven't been home like all weekend, or I haven't been home all week, and then I just got home last night because I had to work over the weekend. So the dogs are like high-key freaking out because they haven't seen me like at all. So I just got home from church and now I'm filming. So they just don't get the attention they want from me right now, and they're not happy about it. Okay, so we're going to continue on the other eye. The one thing about this color is once it gets on something, it gets on something. Like, there's no getting it off. That's pretty much with all red pigments. Oh, V's having the time of her life. You cannot tell. Now that that is on, I am going to be taking this sparkly red in the Morphe palette all the way on the end. And I'm going to be placing that on top of this red towards the inner corner. And you can use your fingers for this if you would like. That might have it show up better. And I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my eye, not all the way across it. Probably stopping about right here because this is going to be a smoky eye. So I'm really going to be dedicating that outer corner to red, or to black and grays. Okay guys, so once your red is on, it is time to start working on the shadow. So I'm going to be taking a different blending brush that does not have red all over it. I said time to be working on the shadow. I meant like, whatever, you'll get the gist, the smoky eye. So the first thing I'm going to be going in with is Sleep Paralysis, right here. And I am going to be doing a nice V and into my crease. Sleep paralysis is like a whole nother level. I mean, like, I can't, wow. It leaves me speechless every time I use it. Okay, so once you have sleep paralysis on, you are going to go in with Spiraling, which is just a tiny bit darker. Mine has a lot of Flaming Hot on it. And going to go over, yep. Yeah, see, it is a lot darker. And we are going to clean this up, so like don't worry about that. And then we are going to go in with my rides here, or any black that you have. And we are just going to be doing this on the outer corner. I know this is really aggressive, but we're gonna fix it. So you're going to go in with Flaming Hot, and you are just going to clean up the lid. Most of the lid should be red. You can do a cut crease here if you really want. And then you can blend right here on the middle. This is all about blending so that the edges are not quite as rough. So I'm going with Flamin' Hot. You can also go in, oh my goodness. You can also go in with that sparkly red. And so then we are going to be cleaning this up a bit. So first thing I'm going to do, since I do not have a makeup wipe, is just wipe this off with a towel to make it more of the V that I want. And then I'm going to be taking Diet Cola, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to be going along the edges. And I'm going to take my finger to clean that up. So we just don't want it to look so harsh in the transition. And so you can just blend that until it looks like more of what you're looking for. I am going to clean this up. And then I'm going to go back in with the red, because I really want the red to pop, so that's going to be like the last color you use when you blend. Just make sure you go back in with the red. So that is one eye. If you can hear Harley growling, just... Okay, so now I am going to go do this eye, BRB. Now that you have it on, this is the perfect opportunity to clean it up and make it a lot neater in any way that you want. I am going to clean my V's up and clean up here, and then we can continue with the look. So I'm going to go grab my makeup wipes and do that, and then we can move on to eyeliner. Okay guys, so as you can see, I made it a little bit cleaner. I went with a Q-tip. I got the Q-tip wet, then I just did a strip here and a strip under my eyes, and now I am going to do some eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use what I always use, my e.l.f. eyeliner. Like, I feel like everyone uses this one or has at one point. And I am just going to do a classic wing. So let's see if I can do this on camera, because usually I can't. Usually I do my eyeliner so that it follows the eyeshadow line, because it'd look kind of weird if there was eyeliner where there was an eyeshadow, in my opinion. Unless like it's on purpose, like if that's part of the look. But that's not part of the look we're going for. So there is one eye. Not my best work, but I think once we put on fake lashes, it will be a lot better. Okay, so now that my eyeliner is on, I am going to go add some false lashes and some mascara. I will be right back. I don't want you guys to have to watch that. That would be torture because I'm really bad at it. So I'll be back in 0.2 seconds. Okay guys, so now that the lashes are done, my lashes, it's time to do eyebrows. That's blurry. Don't like that. That's still blurry. We're gonna bring my mirror up so that I'm not blurry. And you guys know at this point, I'm sure, that I don't like my eyebrows to be in your face. They were very in your face like my senior year of high school. And I remember, I don't know, like I thought that was dope, and now I'm just like living the subtle life. Living that subtle lifestyle. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, it is time to do my face contour. I'm going to use Tanacon from Conspiracy. Even though it's very light, I can build it up. Yeah, it's something. This video is something. So what are your guys' plans for Valentine's Day? Since this is a Valentine's Day video, comment below. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll probably be sitting on my couch. Yeehaw. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing tomorrow, and that's literally tomorrow. Okay. I need to, like, wait. Like, right now, I feel like I look like I belong in, like, the band Kiss or something. So, just, like, bear with me. I promise this will all work out. So I just put a little bit of Tanacon on. I am not putting a ton of bronzer on because I feel like this look is good without it. So for my blush, I'm going to be using Dream Bouncy blush in the shade 50. This is a Bethany Moda blush that I found through her channel, and I'm still rolling with it. Usually I will put this over the bridge of my nose to make me look a little bit more sun-kissed, but not for this look. I'm just doing a little bit. Okay, and last but not least, aside from lipstick, what are my bangs doing? Like I said, do not get bangs. I am going to be doing my highlighter. It's the same highlighter that I always use. I'm almost out. Oh no, a couple pieces of it fell out on Conspiracy. It's like double sad. Okay, and so I am going to take my highlighting brush, or I use it as a highlighting brush, and I'm going to sweep that through that. You can also use, like, if you have more of a silvery metallic highlighter, I think this is a good time to use that. Okay, so last but not least, I am going to be using my Shane Dawson lipstick in the shade Are You Filming? I feel like I've used this on this channel 100 times, but I love a good red lipstick. I'm going to put this on. I'll be back in 0.2 seconds. Okay guys, this is my completed look. I'm probably going to end up taking a ton of pictures in this look, so I'm not going to do a video montage, but I will place the pictures right here so you can see them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you try out this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me in it and check out the collabs below. I'm so excited to see everybody's look and to see you guys retry everybody's look, so definitely let me know. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe or like if you want it. It really helps out my channel. I will see you next week.